Prepositions. A preposition is a linking word which tells us where, when, or why something happens. For example, in this sentence, the house is next to the tree, the preposition is next to. It's telling you where the house is. Jack's cat sat on the mat. Here, the preposition is on. It's telling us where the cat is. I ate my dinner after 6 o'clock. Here the preposition is after. It's telling us the time of something which is happening. She stayed in bed because of the snow. Here the preposition is because of. It's explaining why something is happening. Now it's your turn. I hid under my umbrella. What is the preposition in this sentence? Pause the video if you'd like some more time to think. The preposition is under. It's your turn again. On Monday, I played basketball. What is the preposition in this sentence? The preposition is on. It's your turn again. Gabby couldn't sleep because of the baby. What is the preposition in this sentence? The preposition is because of. Remember, a preposition is a linking word which tells us where, when, or why something happens.